Yo, what is up guys, it's a Great Penguin Gamer here, and welcome to the third part of the Roblox scripting tutorial series. And in today's video, we're going to talk about something called variables. So variables are a way of simplifying code while you're scripting Roblox Studio stuff. It's also a way to store data and variables and all that kind of stuff. I mean, yeah, values, not variables. You don't really store variables in variables. Anyways, sorry for not uploading for the past 1 or 2 weeks. I'm going to try and get this video uploaded quick. So yeah, I'm gonna work on it. Yeah, and if you didn't watch the last 2 videos, you're gonna be kind of confused. No, not kind of, really confused. In case you delete print hello world, and what you want to type in is local, so the script knows that you're typing a variable, and local variable. You can name this to whatever string you want, and equals to 1, and could do print 1 oh, my bad. Something's wrong with my typing thingy. 1 plus variable. So you might be thinking, why can't I just type in 1 instead of variable? It's simpler, right? And I have to type less. No, look at this. Variable equals to 2. So we could do print 1 plus variable again. Yeah. And then see, yeah, it's a way of simplifying code, people. See, 2 plus 3? Yeah, it's a way of simplifying code. So, now you don't have to type in 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. You can just type in variable and change it every time. And there is a way to simplify this code without, doing variable equals 2 and variable equals whatever. But I'll get to that in a later video. Yep. You guys aren't ready for that yet. And there's a lot of things you could store in a variable. So local variable equals to, you could do a string. See? You just put quotation marks. You could do a brick color value, really red. And you could do say an enum value. And if you don't know what an enum value, it's basically a way of, it's like a thing that lists stuff. See all this? So if I do material, it'll show all these stuff, and it's the only way you could even view a material value on the script. So I just do smooth plastic. Yeah, I want that plastic to be smooth. Anyways, yep, there's a lot of stuff you could do. So I'm just gonna show you some other stuff you could do. So as you saw before, you could do wait, let me make a variable first. Local oh my god, variable equals to string, and you could print variable, and you could run it, and yeah, I already showed that to you guys. Say you know the drill. But what you don't know the drill of is that local variable equals to brick color dot new really red, and you could do local part equals to script dot parent. Yeah, I forgot to tell you guys that you can also reference parts and objects in the Explorer with a variable. So I'm gonna do part dot brick color equals to brick. Not brick color dot new variable. Yeah, I could do a bunch of stuff, and yeah. That's basically kind of it for this tutorial. Wait, no, it's not it for this tutorial. I think I have one more thing to show you. I'm going to just show you a last thing. So, local name. Oh, yeah, I'm just going to tell you what you can't do, what you can't name variables. You can't name them numbers. So, local 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 equals. Yeah, you can't do numbers you can't make a number a variable because and numbers kind of already are their own variables. So 1 equals 1, 1 equals 1, and 2 equals 2. You can't do local 1 equals 2. Yeah, that doesn't work like that. It's just common sense, my guys. And I'm not really sure of because you can't really do, when it highlights a different color, I don't think you could do it. Well, I tested it out before and I think it's possible. And the last thing, you can't do local equals to E. See, It thinks you're referencing another variable, so it's just like making red stuff. And if you want to do local as a variable, we'll just do that. You just have to change it one way. So anyways, that's it for this tutorial. If you liked it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want to. I'm not begging you guys like I did in my early days. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.